restless, so give me something to do. Yeah, I can't stay.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Jamie, and welcome to another Clean With Me. Today's Clean With Me is an extra special Clean With Me. If you haven't seen these extra special Clean With Me's, they come from a group of lovely ladies: Amanda over at This Crazy Life, Megan over at Love Meg, and a couple other people. I will link them all down below. But if you stick around till the end, you will see why this is such an extra special Clean With Me. So I work full-time, so when I clean, I like to pick a room and really focus on that room, and I will start with that one so that I can make sure that it gets done and then move on to the rest of the house. Today I started in Grayson's room because it just really needed some good deep cleaning, laundry, all that good stuff, so that's where I started today.
Stop, yeah, I can't wait to hear that bass drop dance. It's all I wanna do right now.
So for a couple months now, I've actually kept up with organizing Grayson's dresser. If you want to see how I did that and how I organize everything, I will link a video down below on different ways you can organize your dresser. It really has come in handy, and I've really been able to keep up with it, and that's like the major part of organizing, is that it's functional and that you're able to keep up with it.
I'm just an accident waiting.
I feel like I've shown this a few times on my channel, but I have a bin specifically in the closet for clothes that Grayson grows out of, and when it gets full, which it is, I carry it downstairs and put it in some storage that I have downstairs for future kiddos.
I've been holding on, I wouldn't let you go, 'cause every time I try you find a loophole. I've been slamming the door and just leave you cold. When I come back, you've heated up the South Pole. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay.
So you might have noticed or might be able to tell that I actually am going over a few areas of the carpet a few times. Sometimes I do this just to really fluff up the carpet. When I go a certain direction, like this direction doesn't really fluff it up. It does clean it, but it doesn't fluff it up. So then I go back and go the other way to get up any extra dog hair and really fluff up that carpet.
Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Yeah, he gets when I'm in a bad mood. Then he knows how to make it alright. Yeah, I get that you got a history, but I don't wanna think about no other than us. They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah. He's got a bad history, but what about it? Yeah, he's got a bad history, but I want him anyway. So look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation, but what about it? Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah, yeah. Epiphany rising, I got it all wrong, you see bright as lightning. Already memories, now I just don't really care what you feel, what you feel, what you feel. Shame on me, thinking it was just a phase. Like ooh, got me like ooh. And if I'm recognizing your mistakes, got me like ooh, feelings like ooh. Now I brought my worst behavior, throwing a party in my head. Yeah.
Here I just wanted to clean out one of these bags because it just had some random stuff in it. And then this is Grayson's little fake refrigerator that I like just cut out of a box. He doesn't use it as a refrigerator, he just climbs in and out of it, but he really loves it. And then I just threw some extra toys into this closet.
advertising. You were not meant for me, still not surprising. Need no apologies, cause I just don't really care what you think, what you think, what you think. Shame on me thinking it was just a phase. Got me like ooh. Ain't no fun recognizing your mistakes.
You know, I would really love one of the cordless Dyson vacuums that everyone here on YouTube has, and maybe a lot of people just in general have. But when I vacuum the entire house like this, I don't know that it would last the entire day. And this vacuum really does a really, really good job.
Now I brought my worst behavior, throwing a party in my head. Yeah, prayers from all my saviors. Just let it rain all over me, 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 over me. Freezing outside, a little bit high on the
So this is where I actually usually keep my diffuser, but my diffuser broke about a month or two ago. I tried to fix it, made it way worse. So I've ordered a new one and it's on the way, and I can't wait to show you guys.
to ya. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty up from the minute that I met ya.
Alright, you guys, so I just stopped with the cleaning because something exciting is happening. So I was supposed to clean all day and like bake cookies and stuff, and then tomorrow just kind of run a few errands and then go pick up my husband from the airport because he has been away with the military. I'm not going to get into details about that, that's just a safety thing. But yeah, 100% he told me he was coming home tomorrow's date, but because he was like 15 hours time difference, it like changed it on his calendar or something. So today while I've been cleaning, I get a message from him, from his number saying, or I get a message from him saying that he is in Seattle, which is the layover before he comes here today. So I finished cleaning as much as I could up till now, and then I just stopped, went and put on some makeup. Then we're gonna grab some stuff out of the car, or take some stuff out of the car so that we can fit his luggage. And then we're gonna head off to pick up Grayson, head to go pick him up, and then I'll finish the cleaning later, hopefully. We'll see what happens. The only thing I wanted to do The only other thing I wanted to do really was finish laundry and finish cleaning up the kitchen. But since he'll be home, we can cook and stuff, and then I can clean after. So that's what we're gonna go do, and then we'll get hopefully back to cleaning. We shall see.
Not a smooth talker under pressure.